Incredible cooking skills that are on another level. Are you this skilled?
The mochi making technique they use leaves absolutely no room for mistakes, but judging by the skilled hands of these artisans, they've never slipped up.
और ये भी खुद बनाते हो आप?
रेडीमेड कारखाने से
कारखाने से रेडीमेड भाई साहब मतलब डाल रहे हैं गर्मा गर्म खोलते हुए तेल में और 1 सेकंड में रेडी होकर बता तो सैटिस्फाइंग प्रोसेस है ना ये मतलब क्या होता है लाइक कर दो शेयर कर दो अपने दोस्तों के साथ क्योंकि ऐसा वीडियो मेरे को नहीं लगता कहीं और आपको मिलेगा
That should be taught in school. He must be the firebender. Can you eat that whole pizza by yourself? Isn't this magic?
At first, I thought this chef wasn't doing anything special, but then I took it back. This expert crafts wontons just as swiftly as an assembly line in a manufacturing plant.
Tissue paper? Anyone? I bet you can write on that.
Not only is he a great pizza maker, but he's also a talented showman. What's truly remarkable is his ability to maintain a seamless conversation while effortlessly carrying out these tasks, never missing a beat. This chef has truly mastered his craft to the point of making it look effortless. His moves are so smooth that he serves up each portion with precision, right down to the last gram. Check out how he handles those perfect biscuits. Culinary masterpieces don't have to be created only in the kitchens of expensive restaurants. Street food can be art too, and this chef proves it. This buddy is really impressive. Back when I was his age, I could only whip up a bowl of cereal with some milk. Customers of this guy are in for a treat, as they not only get to enjoy scrumptious kebabs, but also witness an entertaining spectacle. He sure knows how to make the process of grilling kebabs a real show. If you've ever picked a wok up like this, you are aware of its considerable weight, and it's truly remarkable to observe what this young lady can do with it. We've seen a chef chopping vegetables on a balloon before, but this guy takes the trick to a new level.
my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.